we're finally here in Vegas. I do have bags under my eyes, but they are designer bags, I like to say. I know I look tired. So, save it.
What do we got?
I'm going to do a geode so I can reveal it for the class tomorrow. We are here at the Naughty Artisans studio. And I have mixed up some art coat.
How much did you mix?
I just used the whole 8-ounce kit.
8-ounce kit. Our 8-ounce kit there.
I am sure that this is going to be too much.
Yeah, that's like a lot.
So we may be doing.
You could probably
some
cover this in
posters.
4 ounce.
Probably. Most of the color that I'm making is going to be the emerald and the white, because I'm trying to still recreate that feathery look that we have gotten in the last couple of pours. So this is the Stone Coat White base tint. I'm putting just enough in there to give me some cell action. And I'm going to put some Color Obsession Snow White in there.
My battery's at 15%.
Okay, I'll hurry. And this is going to give me the opaque color and weight so that I can get those frothy, feathery wispies. Mixing the two whites also prevents adding too much base tint so that I don't get my cells. And it also gives me a brighter, whiter white. Very important. Okay, so the next greatest color I'm using is the emerald green from Color Obsession. It does look black to begin with, but it lightens up to a beautiful, beautiful bright green color. Almost jade. See how I got a little bit on this stir stick?
That looks nice. Oh yeah, that looks good.
And this color is a little bit translucent, which is kind of what I'm looking for this feathery look. I love how these colors meld and mix in and melt so well into the resin. So I'm gonna mix some malachite from Just Resin. I don't know if I'm actually gonna use it. It may be too opaque, maybe too aqua, but I'm gonna mix some up just in case.
It looks greener in person.
To give me some like dimension and color. It doesn't take a lot of these colors at all. This is just going to give me more of an aqua bounce. And then I'm also going to mix some black from Just Resin as well. I always like to mix up my paste before I use them. So that everything's well incorporated. And because this is going to be a geode that I'm more interested in what the back looks like than the front, I need the paste to be a little bit heavier. So I've gone a little bit heavier on my colors into the resin more than I usually would. So the first thing I'm gonna do is a swipe. So I'm gonna add that area first. I have my handy dandy swiping paper here. So I'm gonna add the clear into the area that I'm gonna do that swipe. And this is just so that my tinted resin glides more easily over the surface. Think of it like greasing the pan. And I want to kind of shape my swipe with the black So I'm just going on the outside rim for this. All right. So now the interesting part. I'm gonna put some of this emerald down. I'm gonna put a little bit of this malachite. No, I'm gonna put the white down next. And the malachite. And a little bit more of the emerald. Now some heat. And all I'm doing with the heat is just popping the bubbles and making sure that it's not too solid. I'm gonna put a little bit of the emerald onto this swiping paper, a la dip swipe, just to ensure that there's no base tint as the top color. I'm just gonna swipe in the direction of all these angles of our custom geode shape. Put the white on the
Cool.
inside.
See, now look it.
Oh, it's okay. I'll mute that out. What's up?
Okay, that's what we can do, a big one like that.
So too.
Yeah. Get it moving. Hit it with some heat.
It's pretty thin already. I'm just gonna
Look at that. Yeah, no, we didn't tilt that last one this much.
I didn't tilt it at all.
Maybe put white over there.
White and clear, or just white?
Yeah, white and clear. just a thin line, heat it, and then blow it out. That would be nice. Oh, yeah, watch her. Yeah. So I can see bubbles over there. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh wow, babe. Yeah. Leave it. That's amazing.
What the F?
Hole in the cup. Yeah. Do right there.
Where?
Yeah. The dark parts. I would maybe go right here, maybe right here.
Oh.
Just leave it. Hit it with some heat. That looks good though.
Yeah, I like the broken.
Yeah. I would leave it.
I really like the way this looks, and I just wanted to blow a little bit more into it.
Yeah. It's good. It's beautiful. Alright, we will see what this does tomorrow. Bye. I said bye.